Thank you so much.
Worshipful Sir, the officers of this lodge lately chosen are ready to be installed in their respective offices.
You will then present the brother who has been appointed Tyler of this lodge.
Worshipful Sir, I present to you for installation Brother Cruz, who has been appointed Tyler of this lodge.
Brother Cruz, you have been appointed Tyler of this lodge, and you will have invested the jewel and implement the office. As the sword is placed in the hands of the Tyler to enable him effectively to guard against the approach of colonists and disruptors, and suffer not to pass except such as are truly qualified, so should it admonish us to guard over our thoughts, to watch our lips, and post a sentinel over our actions, thereby preventing the approach of every unworthy thought and deed, and preserving consciences void of offense toward God and man. You can now repair to your proper place. Through the martial ceremonies, you will present the organist.
Worshipful Sir, I present to you for installation Brother Reformo, who has been appointed organist of this lodge.
Brother Reformo, you have been appointed organist at this lodge, and you will now be invested with the jewel of your office. The lyre is a jewel of your office. And as it is an emblem of music, it should continually remind us that this harmony is essential in the liberal arts and science which it symbolizes. So should harmony continue to be the strength and support of society, especially of ours. Let harmony prevail.